Welcome to 16 Belaire here in Holiday Beach, Rockport, Texas. I'm Nellie Sproul, and it's my pleasure to show you this bayfront home. Welcome to 16 Belaire, where coastal charm meets Copano Bay is stunning water views and sunset vistas. This waterfront gem is complete with a private boat ramp and fishing pier, making it ideal for those who love bay living. Imagine creating lifelong memories fishing, kayaking out of the pier, or simply enjoying the waters from your own backyard deck. Upstairs has a front deck so that you can enjoy a morning coffee watching the sunrises, or the back with also a beautiful covered deck where you can enjoy your sunsets. And the main living boasts a stylish kitchen and functional layout, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and washer and dryer for convenience, and a pool play table. This fully furnished residence offers an exceptional investment opportunity, and it's already earning Superhost status on Airbnb and VRBO rating with an impressive rental income. Downstairs, a huge lounge-like apartment for extra guests and making it perfect as a second home, a rental property, or peaceful retreat. It has the essentials with a full bathroom for your guests. And you will love the downstairs screen patio. Great for entertaining and game nights. The Holiday Beach community offers pier, boat ramp, a pool, park, and it's minutes from Goose Island State Park as well. Rockport's Blue Wave Public Beach awaits for more seaside fun. I'm Nellie Sproul with Spears & Co., here to help you to make Rockport Fulton your dream destination. Welcome home!